Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Bronco versus the Ineos Grenadier. We'll explore their distinct approaches to off-road performance and everyday usability. The Bronco brings a modern, customizable experience, while the Grenadier focuses on a robust, back-to-basics utility. Understanding these core philosophies will help you decide which vehicle best suits your adventurous lifestyle and practical needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to off-road prowess, both vehicles are highly capable. The Bronco offers powerful EcoBoost engine options, providing excellent torque for challenging terrain. The Grenadier, with its BMW-sourced 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine, delivers robust and reliable power. Both are designed with serious off-roading in mind, featuring durable suspension systems and advanced four-wheel drive capabilities to conquer diverse landscapes with confidence. Inside, the Bronco and Grenadier offer different philosophies. The Bronco provides a more contemporary cabin with advanced infotainment and comfortable seating, often featuring removable doors and roof panels for an open-air experience. The Grenadier focuses on a utilitarian design, with robust materials and easily accessible physical switches built for extreme conditions. Both prioritize functionality, ensuring your gear and passengers are well accommodated on any journey. Considering value, the Ford Bronco generally offers a more accessible entry price, appealing to a broader market seeking a versatile adventure vehicle. The Ineos Grenadier, while often at a higher price, targets enthusiasts who prioritize extreme durability and a no-nonsense, expedition-ready design. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.